So I'm going to cut right to the chase here. I'm on beta 1.18.10.27. This is latest beta for Minecraft Bedrock Edition. We already have the frogs, as you can see, and they have been patched. They no longer eat goats. You can see from this video that frogs did eat goats last week. They don't do that anymore. However, I've written a behavior pack that will allow frogs to eat everything they ever want, including me. So I will demonstrate here. I'm going to spawn a frog right next to this pig, and the frog is going to go right for the pig. The pig is running away. Is it running to the nether? No, it's not. I created... Oh, it's broken. I've been to the nether. I've been testing everything with these frogs. They still behave very strangely. I don't understand why they don't go right for this chicken here. Yeah, there we go. Once they come to Java Edition, I'll be able to test them a lot more efficiently. You may be wondering, what happens if frog eats frog? That actually stalls the game. I will leave a Twitch VOD where I've been testing all of this last night, and some very odd behaviors with the Ender Dragon. I won't be showing you guys in this video here. Example, Wither, dead. Villager, dead. Gigantic slime. He'll eat it. So, what happens if frog eats player? Let's find out. We've got 2 frogs, 3 frogs incoming. One of them is backed out, and we wait for the tongue to extend from its mouth. Disconnection screen. And you are hard locked out of this world. You can't even log back in. Sometimes you can if it rolls back and like accesses an old level.dat, which is I believe what's happened sometimes. Here you can see that it's actually... I think a frog ate me from behind. And yep, it's stalling. Can't get back in. Now I believe this is so because the player has been removed from the game, but the client is still trying to run the game without the player information. So there's a bit of a disconnect. I'm stuck right now. I can't even quit. Just imagine like the last thing you see before you die is the frog's tongue. Anyway, I'll leave the frog.json that I wrote for this in the description of this video if you guys want to try it out. Some modifications had to be made so the frog could actually eat the player. I hope you guys enjoy it. Subscribe if this is your thing.